Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, beloved Uzur. My question is, for some of our members who indulge in social vices, in order to save the Jama'at's reputation, is it the best option to punish them, excommunicate them from the Jama'at, or try as much as possible to correct them?
You see, just to expel them from the Jama'at is not the solution. You have to admonish them, advise them first, and if they repent, they leave those vices, then well and good. Otherwise, you can say, if you do not want to repent, then we shall not take chanda from you, or you will be not allowed to be given any Jama'at's office or any service of the Jama'at. So those who are of the pious nature, this punishment even is enough for them. And we also advise them that being an Ahmadi Muslim, we should portray in ourselves the true picture of Islam. Not that people raise their fingers by saying that these are the Ahmadi Muslims. They claim themselves to be the people who have accepted the reformer of the age, the promised Messiah, Islam, and they claim that they are going to spread the message of Islam all across the world. And they say, we are better than the other Muslims. And even then, this is their behavior. So if you properly ask them that they should change their lives and try to be a true Ahmadi, then most of them understand it. Otherwise, every person has some shortcomings. We cannot say that we are perfect, right? There are shortcomings in us, but those minor shortcomings can be ignored. Otherwise, if a person is persistent in doing wrong things, then you have to be persuasive and keep on advising them. This is why Allah Ta'ala has asked even the Holy Prophet ﷺ, Zakkir, innama anta muzakkir. Yes, keep on advising them. And this is your duty. Not that to expel somebody. If he wants to be in the Jama'at, expelling the person is not the solution. Right? But if a person himself wants to leave the Jama'at, then that's a different thing. And if a person has done some gross mistake, a great sin, then just to make him realize that he has done something very bad and there's a heinous crime he has done, then he can be expelled from the Jama'at for some time. When he asks forgiveness, then he can again be included in the Jama'at. But apart from that, if it is a minor mistake or some small vices in a person, then our job is just to advise them, admonish them, and try to make them understand and realize the responsibility of an Ahmadi.